Hi, my name is Neha and I am an experienced data-driven digital marketer. Are you looking to establish your business online or strengthen your existing presence? Then definitely you need me. I know the right techniques to get my client the maximum outreach and better sales conversion. Many businesses are put off by digital marketing because they think it's unnecessary and very much costly. But what they don't realize is not hiring a well-experienced digital marketer can lead to lesser business growth. In fact, it's the most judicious investment that you can make with your business after recent pandemic. Think about this way. Would you rather run a TV or banner ad millions of people will see, but handful will need your product or service? Or would you rather have a targeted data-driven digital campaign which will show to the people who are already interested in what you are selling? The answer is obvious, right? You want to target your audience with a laser precision so that you are not wasting time or money on the commercial or ads that nobody cares about. And that's exactly what I do. I support you to deliver the right message to the right audience at the right time. I deliver results that matters to you so that you can focus on your business. I provide guaranteed lead generation. I can guarantee 2x growth in your business in as little as 6 months. Monthly report will keep you updated and will show you the tangible results. As a certified Google ad expert and the owner of Google Premier Partner ad account, I am privileged to have access for the exclusive Google Ads feature that can help me to bring good results for my client. I offer complete digital marketing solutions such as branding, lead generation, SEO, social media optimization, social media promotion, paid campaign, performance marketing, email marketing, everything. I have supported many overseas clients who can vouch for the quality of my craft. So if you need any online presence or if you want to expand your digital marketing presence online, I am here to help you out. So if you are interested in expanding your business online, contact me to get started. I am ready when you are. Thank you.